Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a door handle on a Ford Explorer. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a trim removal tool, a socket set, and a new door handle. Don't forget a small flathead screwdriver and a T20 Torx bit. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and help you complete the job efficiently. Let's get started. Now, let's tackle removing the old door handle. Begin by gently prying off the interior door panel with your trim removal tool. Be sure to disconnect any electrical connectors you encounter. Next, locate and unbolt the two 10mm bolts holding the handle assembly in place. Finally, carefully detach the door handle rods or cables from the old mechanism. Take your time to avoid damaging any components. With the old handle out, it's time to install your new one. First, carefully connect the door handle rods or cables to the new assembly. Then, position the new handle into its slot on the door. Secure it firmly using the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier. Double-check that all connections are snug and that the handle operates smoothly before proceeding. This ensures proper function. For our final steps, let's reassemble and test. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the interior door panel. Carefully align and reattach the door panel to the door frame, ensuring it snaps securely into place. Now, test your new door handle from both the inside and outside of the vehicle. Make sure the door latches and opens correctly every single time. Great job! You've successfully replaced your door handle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.